Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Shisngi Schwaban sedang ya ke Nongïalehkai Foot Rollball Federation Cup ke Meghalaya Rollball Association hakalai tarik ujemang arca arpasau kala Pynbna ki kerteng ki rang bat ki Nongïalehkai ki ban Mihkhmat ya ke Jylla hakani ke Lempung ke ban sedang hakasau tarik St. Anthony's Higher Secondary School hakani ke sngi layo I ka kenhun Nongïalehkai ke Jylla bakile kilan met na ke benta ban penkre ban ya shim benta hakani ke Lempung kabalong kasian kabaningkong ban penlong hakani ke Jylla bat nakaliang kinong Nongïalehkai kila penpau ke jingsngok men ban yo ya kum kani kalat ban yo ya shim benta bat ban penpau ya la kisap bakerpang baki don hakani ke jat Nongïalehkai watla kani ke Nongïalehkai ke dei ke badang thamai henrei nakaliang ki khana Nongïalehkai ke Jylla kila penpau ke jingsngok skam bakani ke Lempung kanlong ke jingyarap ban nangkan tiu ya ki hakani ke kam Nongïalehkai ki kerteng jong ki Nongïalehkai ki ban Mihkhmat ya ke Jylla hakani ke Lempung kilong ke Pynbna and shooting kum ka kapten Iviana Elksiar Haphila Khamti Suchang Viveka Pale Zadrina Nongsiang Mystika Yaupnyau bat ke Eli M Nongse katba hakaliang ki shenrang kilong ukordor perbot Rimyo Suchang kum kapten Kaldi Nongsiang Dawan Me G Chermang Adel BG Shangoi Gareth EM Kharbengar Hubert Nongkenri Colin G Yaupnyau Elnathan Dikshar bat usuk lang dekhar.
My name is I study in class 12 and I represent Meghalaya girls team. So rollball is a fairly new sport in India, it has been introduced in India, and it's even newer in Shillong, and I am extremely proud to be able to represent Meghalaya in this sport. Rollball is a sport that really brings out the best in you and sometimes the worst, but it's a part of sports. And rollball is something that I enjoyed, I love to do it since I started it. I started skating last year, and ever since I've made a lot of lovely people along the way, and I've made a lot of good memories and skills. I've learned a lot ever since I've started playing the sport, and I'd encourage a lot of people to join the sport if you are looking for something that you wanna do on your free time. But you have to remember that if you put your time into rollball or skating, you must do it wholeheartedly. Because if it's not wholeheartedly, then it just doesn't feel right. And I'd like to end by saying thank you to all the people I've become friends with, and to Sir, who has taught me a lot. And I hope that for this Federation Cup, that we put rollball name out there so more people can join. Thank you.
Garrett is dengar bakal lek school Nongïalehkai ketika global tim Meghalaya kini ketika first ke Foot Global Federation Cup Meghalaya dan sedang perbangan Nongïalehkai kini ke rollball ketika Jylla ke Basel Tenak Hima sedang lekai ketika rollball perbangan Shong plus 7 sekarang ikut ini pada entry ke Nongïalehkai global dan interest global dari masih try din mentala sedang championship sedang sobang kami experience I like yourself nang company kai bhashu enga
Kamu ko pelong ni like
ni global kasi nak have Nongïalehkai shai hantam shai mas bang have Nongïalehkai but it's not I'm here
kamu ko pelong ni ba kini Jylla kaya dali ko ko.
pensong bang
Mrba encourage
Mano ba encourage mano ba kayo inang no
kan encourage siya kahit ilagay siya malay kay panganang education trunk kini ka robot
gigis gits ko ba
kini ka Federation Cup sa Kalabon state dan ka Gujarat Assam Maharashtra bakal bet Assam last year job Assam Federation Cup